Popeyes just dropped the Don Julio collab, and it's only in a few cities. And people are saying they can't even taste the tequila in the wings. That's a problem, so Unc's here to fix it. Watch this. Now, first up, we can't have no hateration without a little marination. So we're going in with some garlic paste. To season the chicken, we're using that Dirty Bird rub, 13 herbs and spices all in one bottle. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Then just a couple of shots of that Don Julio Repo. We're trying to get these wings drunk, y'all, so pour heavy like they do at the old folks clubs. Add a couple of squeezes of fresh lime juice. Cover and let these wings sit in the fridge and marinate for at least 2 hours. But if you really want them buzzed, do it overnight like I did. Popeye's been doing these Don Julio wings naked, but we're going to throw some clothes on ours. So that's where the flour mix comes in. We're using all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and a little bit of a hit of that Delta dust. Then we're going to top it off with some of that Louisiana flavor and that King Creole blend. Both seasonings are available from UncleDibbz.com. Drop those wings in your dry mix. Make sure they're well coated. Press in that flour nice and tight so that we have a nice even coating throughout that wing. Now we're going to fry these wings old school in the cast iron skillet. Heat your oil to about 360, 365. Once you put your wings in the oil, that temperature is naturally going to drop, and you want to maintain it between 350 to 355 degrees. This is going to make sure these wings cook thoroughly and that they maintain that beautiful golden color that we're looking for. Don't burn them, y'all. Just take your time and make sure you flip them every now and again. These wings will be fully cooked in about 10 minutes. When you're done, set them to the side and let them soak off all that extra grease on a paper towel. But we're not done yet, shawty. It's time to make that Reposado Gold sauce. In a medium saucepan, add your butter. Let that melt. Add a couple of squeezes of garlic paste. Once that starts to simmer and make a little bit of noise, add a little bit of that Don Julio Reposado, one time for the one time. Splash that on in, be careful. Let that alcohol cook off, add a nice fresh squeeze of lime juice, and then here are the secret ingredients. A little bit of heavy cream and a little bit of honey. Trust me, this is gonna make that Reposado Gold sauce sing. Let that simmer, and then add this right here. We're gonna make a little bit of a slurry. Cold water and cornstarch, mix it up and add it slow. Turn your heat to low, let that simmer until it thickens up, and then drizzle it all over your wings. Give it a nice toss. And this is why you make it at home. Look at how that glaze coats every single wing. Popeyes could never, shawty. To get all the measurements and ingredients for this recipe, make sure you visit my site, UncleDibbz.com. Now, after I take this bite, if I start to wiggle, that means that tequila is hitting. Let's see. Just call me Don Dibbz from now on. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.
That's good, shorty.